Hey chat fam, Pandi here, back with another video. Welcome to my 4-week long spring reset series. I've crafted 4 weeks of content to help us get our lives back on track. So again, welcome to week 1. This is the mental detox, our Start Ugly strategy. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. If you're already chat fan with me, welcome back, and thank y'all so much for your amazing support. If you are catching this video during the watch party premiere, shout out to you and friends with super channels. Again, we're going to do our Start Ugly strategy. Our theme tonight is all about overcoming perfectionism and mental clutter before touching a single physical item. Okay? We're going to be kicking off our March spring reset with the most important step, and that is the mental detox. Before we clean our homes, we have to clear our heads. So today we're discussing why perfectionism is the enemy and how to finally start ugly. In this video, I'm going to touch on the truth about waiting for the right time, conducting a personal energy audit to get down to what's draining you, and setting realistic intentions for the month. So let's get our minds right, chat fam. Again, welcome everyone to week 1 of the spring reset. If you're looking around your house feeling overwhelmed, stop. Sit down. We aren't touching a single thing today until we fix what's going on up in our heads. I'm Pandi, and today we're doing a mental detox. We're talking about the lie of perfectionism. The Start Ugly concept. This is a model that I came across and I really found it to be relatable and really down to earth. And that is start ugly. What does that mean exactly? Well, it means you don't need any fancy bins or to spend a bunch of money to get organized. You don't need to feel motivated to change your life. Motivation is a feeling, but discipline is a decision. And we want to be disciplined. We want to make the decision to be disciplined in this season. So, I want you all to join me in taking a look at that one area of your life that you've been avoiding. Maybe it's your credit score. Maybe it's that junk room. And just give yourself permission to tackle it imperfectly. Now grab your journals. We're going to do an energy audit. In this energy audit, I would like for you to write down 3 things that drained you within the last week. Was it a person, a task, or maybe scrolling on social media? Now, write down 3 things that gave you life, that uplifted you. If your drain list is longer than your feel list, that could be why you're tired. It's not the work, it's the misalignment. So, we're going to set the tone. This week, your only homework is to identify the drainers and to cut one off. Just one. We're working on protecting our peace this March. If it costs you your peace, it's too expensive. Next week, we're going to be getting physical with the decluttering. But for now, breathe. You're doing enough. Comment down below. I am starting ugly. I want you guys to really embrace the month of March as your preparation period so that come April, we're ready to go full steam ahead with whatever goal we're working on, whatever motivation that you're prepping up for. These exercises each week during this 4-week-long Spring Reset series is sure to help you meet your goals. Again, I thank you all for tuning in to another video. I hope that you found it informative. I hope that you found value in it. And until the next time, guys, thank you so much for your amazing support. Continue to stay safe, everyone. Continue to stay encouraged. Stay blessed and don't stress. And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.